Kakanta kami ng...
Nang?
Ano kakantay natin? Marry Your Daughter by...
By J and Faye.
Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So I'm a bit nervous about being here today. Still not really sure what I'm going to say. So bear with me please if I take up too much of your time. See, in this box is the ring for your oldest. She's my everything, you know that I know this. It could be such a relief if I knew that we were all the same side. So very soon I'm hoping that I can marry your daughter and make her my wife. I want her to be the only girl that I love for the rest of my life. And give her the best of me to the day that I die. Yeah. Tapos na po!
Bye! Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!